In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language and settings. If you prefer to use Chatgpt in a different language, or you're setting it up for someone more comfortable in another language, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to make that change and what to expect after you switch. First, open Chatgpt and look for your profile icon. On desktop, you'll find it near the bottom left of the screen. On mobile, it's typically in the top corner of the app interface. Click or tap your profile icon to reveal the menu. From there, choose Settings. This opens the main area where you can control how the app looks and behaves. Inside Settings, select the General section. This is the place for broad preferences that apply across your account experience. If you're already in General by default, you'll see options like Theme, Interface Preferences, and most importantly for this video, the Language setting. Now locate the language option and open the drop-down. You'll see a list of available languages. Scroll through and pick the one you want. As soon as you select your preferred language, Chatgpt updates the interface to match. Menus, system labels, and prompts adopt the new language, and your choice is saved to your account automatically, so you don't need to confirm anything else. This change applies to your signed-in experience, which means it follows you when you use Chatgpt on other devices with the same account. A quick note on what this setting does and doesn't do. Changing the language affects the interface and the default experience, but it doesn't automatically translate your past conversations. Those will remain in whatever language they were originally written. Going forward, you can continue your chats in the new language, and the system messages and suggestions will reflect your selection. If you're not seeing the option right away, make sure you're in the General section of Settings and that you open the language drop-down itself. Some layouts show a compact list, so you might need to scroll a bit within the General page to reach the language field. That's all there is to it. Open your profile menu, go to Settings, select General, and choose your preferred language from the drop-down. Whenever you want to switch back or try another language, just repeat the same path and pick a different option. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you use Chatgpt in the language that feels most natural to you.